Hi girls, it's Karina and Katrina from Tone It Up.
Yes, and we are about to show you how to make these beautiful parfaits within minutes, and we got our groceries delivered to us in the comfort of our own home. We are so excited to be here because it's our favorite day.
Meal Prep Sunday, the day of the week that gets you ready for the rest of the week.
Yay!
So, this is really exciting because we ordered ingredients from Shipt, which I have been using Shipt now for a few months, and I love them because it becomes so convenient on a Sunday when you're doing all your errands, getting ready for the week. You have your groceries delivered to your door, and it can be within an hour or up to 2 hours.
Or even during the week.
Yes.
When you're in a bind. I've been in such a bind and stuck at home with Bella, my daughter, and been like, I need 3 things, even diapers, and then you can also, I saw you ordered kitty litter and wine the other day.
Yeah, the necessities.
So today we are making a recipe from our 31-day meal plan. It's so easy because everything is made for a busy lifestyle. So that's why we love this and we love this. And we are making the Indi-Glow overnight oats. Now this is one of our favorite recipes because not only is it super easy to make, but you can have it for breakfast the 3 days after and you save time, and we're all about saving time, and it has protein, antioxidants.
Yeah, and so that's the great thing. You can make a few servings on a Sunday and keep it in your fridge, good to go.
Yeah.
Shall we? What goes in there?
We're gonna make this with you girls. So, super easy. Literally, if I can do it, anyone can do it. A lot of you girls know I'm not too savvy in the kitchen. Karina's more of the chef. So that's when I actually do stuff, it's like, wow, anyone can do it. All right,
we've got the oats, which we got it shipped.
Yep, and then almond milk. Look at this beautiful teal magic.
Yes, and this is a spirulina, and we already combined the powder in with your almond milk, and it really gives your oats not only more nutritious, but also makes it look really beautiful. Yeah. And if you have kids, they'll be like, wow, my oats are blue.
They love colors.
They do.
Yeah, so this is another thing about kids. If you set out a lot of food and you have something that's very colorful and you say, you choose what you want, they'll choose a lot of veggies and those things rather than this is what you're eating. So this is really good for them.
The secret ingredient.
Yay! Tone It Up protein. Yes. This is available at Target, and Karina and I developed Tone It Up protein because we wanted to make sure that there are clean ingredients out there that you can trust, that you feel good about putting in your body, and it's so, so delicious.
The best tasting.
Yeah.
And I'm really good at making messes. So
she really is.
Pat was putting everything in the bowl until I stepped in.
All right, now we're gonna mix.
We put that in the fridge overnight, and then the morning of, you can create your little overnight oats parfait. So you're layering your oats here, and then with each layer, I like to sprinkle a lot of the Tone It Up collagen in there. Get your collagen in, and then you put in blueberries, and then top it off with more oats.
Now you can either put it in one big container and make your parfait in the morning, or you can separate it in little mason jars, and then in the morning sprinkle on everything that you need.
You're making a mess.
We really are making a mess. Good for you because they're so good. And remember, collagen, it is amazing for your hair, your skin, your nails, your joints, all of it. And it really helped me post-baby, and it's tasteless. That's the best thing. You can put it in all your recipes.
Everything. I put it in everything.
You really do.
The most random. Put it in your spaghetti sauce. Sprinkle it on your chicken.
We have collagen soups
in
your 31-day meal plan that are amazing. They're kind of uneven, sorry.
I like to do it so it's a parfait.
Good idea. Cheers, girls.
Cheers. And for more delicious recipes from the 31-day challenge, head over to shipt.com/toneitup, and we will see you there.